Welcome back to Young Founders Club. Are you ready to dive into an exciting business idea that's simple to start, budget-friendly, and has the potential to generate steady income? If so, then launching a car washing business at home might be just the opportunity you've been looking for. With an increasing number of vehicles on the road and people's busy lives, the demand for quality car cleaning services is on the rise. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through everything you need to know about starting your very own car washing business from the comfort of your home. From planning and equipment to marketing strategies and customer retention, we've got you covered. Plus, we'll share some handy affiliate tools to make your journey smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. 1. Why start a car washing business at home? First, let's discuss why this is a fantastic business idea. 1. Low startup costs. No need for a big budget or expensive infrastructure. 2. Basic tools like hoses, cleaning solutions, and microfiber towels are enough to start. 3. Flexibility. You're the boss. Decide your working hours and how many cars you want to handle. High demand. With so many cars on the road, there's no shortage of potential customers. Environmentally friendly. Stand out by offering eco-friendly cleaning options using water-saving techniques and biodegradable products. 2. Crafting your business plan. Every successful business begins with a solid plan. Here are key points to consider. 1. Define your target market. Are you catering to busy professionals, families, or even rideshare drivers? Knowing your audience helps tailor your services. 2. Set your services. Basic wash, waxing, interior cleaning, tire shining, or even premium packages for a full service experience. 3. Pricing. Research competitors in your area to set competitive yet profitable rates. 4. Choose a business name. A catchy and professional name like Shine on Wheels or Eco Auto Spa can help your brand stand out. 3. Setting up your home workspace. Your workspace is a critical part of your operation. Here's how to optimize it. 1. Choose the right spot. A driveway or backyard area with good drainage works best. 2. Check local regulations. Verify any zoning rules or waste disposal guidelines in your area. 3. Organize supplies. Use shelves or storage bins to keep your tools and products tidy and accessible. 4. Essential tools and supplies. Having the right tools can make or break your efficiency. Here's a checklist. 1. Pressure washer, the Sanjo SPX 3000, available on Amazon, is an affordable, high-performance option. 2. Microfiber towels. For a streak-free finish, these are a must. 3. Buckets and grid guards. Prevent dirt from scratching car surfaces. 4. Eco-friendly cleaning products. Brands like Chemical Guys offer biodegradable soaps and waxes. 5. Portable vacuum cleaner. A lightweight vacuum like the Bissell Multi-Clean is perfect for interiors. Pro tip: explore Amazon business accounts for discounts on bulk cleaning supplies. 5. Marketing your business. Getting customers is key to growing your business. Here's how to market effectively. 1. Social media. Set up Instagram and Facebook accounts. 1. Post engaging before and after photos of the cars you clean. 2. Local advertising. Use community boards or apps like Nextdoor to reach your neighbors. 3. Word of mouth. Offer discounts to your first customers and encourage them to share your service. 4. Professional branding. Use Canva to create business cards, flyers, and promotional materials. Canva's templates are user-friendly and ideal for creating social media posts and advertisements. 6. Streamlining operations. Efficiency is crucial for delivering great service and keeping your customers happy. 1. Appointment scheduling. Tools like Calendly allow customers to book appointments online. 2. Accept cashless payments. Use services like PayPal, Venmo, or Square to make transactions easy. 3. Feedback collection. Use Google Forms or Typeform to gather reviews and suggestions to improve your services. Pro tip: QuickBooks simplifies invoicing and expense tracking, ensuring your finances are in order. 7 tips for success. 1. Focus on customer service. Always be friendly, punctual, and professional. 2. Upsell services. Offer additional options like headlight restoration or ceramic coating. 3. Stay updated. Keep an eye on industry trends and invest in new tools or products. 4. Build loyalty. Introduce loyalty cards or membership plans for regular customers. Starting a car washing business at home is an excellent way to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. With low startup costs, flexible hours, and high demand, this venture has all the ingredients for success. By following these steps and using the recommended tools, you're well on your way to building a profitable and sustainable business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Young Founders Club for more tips and tricks to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Check out the links in the description for the affiliate tools mentioned in this video. They'll make your work so much easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.